Clearing your search history on Expedia can help maintain your privacy and improve your browsing experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and log into your account using your credentials. This will allow you to access your account settings and preferences. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your account profile or settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In account settings menu, locate the privacy or data management section. This area typically contains options related to your search history and saved data. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, look for an option to clear or delete your search history. Click on it and confirm your choice to remove the stored search data. Step 5. Log out and refresh. After clearing your search history, log out of your account and refresh the page. This ensures that the changes take effect on your search history is no longer visible. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Expedia. Regularly doing this can help keep your travel planning private and tailored to your preferences.